Houston on the bridge.
All crew to the assembly area. Both engines, half speed ahead. Establish visual contact. Mission launched. Target hit.
Keeping watch.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Helm aport. Establish visual contact. The target is within range. Stop the engine. Fire at the enemy.
Establishing visual contact.
Fire on command.
Enemy torpedo heading towards us spotted. I see a hit on the target. We are under attack. Damage reported.
Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Prepare to fire.
Hard for starboard.
Keeping watch.
Critical hit.
Hit confirmed.
Captain, the target has been captured. Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Establishing visual contact.
Slow astern. Bolt. Stop engine. Missile launch at target. Target destroyed. Ready to open fire on the enemy. All crew, full combat alert. Fire without command. Hard aport. Establish visual contact. That's a hit. Missile launched.
Establishing visual contact.
The target is within range. Enemy elimination confirmed. Establish visual contact.
Prepare to fire. Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target. Torpedo incoming. Prepare for impact.
Fire on command. Combat Unit 5, fight to save the ship. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations.
Attacking missile heading towards us spotted. Prepare to fire.
Captain, shoot ready to fire.
It's confirmed.
Half ahead.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
We did everything we could. I order you to abandon ship. Establish visual contact.
I see a hit on the target.
Hard for starboard.
Establishing visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Hard aport.
Keeping watch.
We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage.
launch from ship detected.
The target destroyed.
Enemy torpedo heading towards us spotted. We are under attack. Damage reported.
Armor integrity broken. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. Half ahead.